What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to update Google Play Store on Android. Head over to your Play Store application. If you just go back and keep tapped on your Play Store, there is currently no option to update it in here because it is a built-in application. So if we want to just update our Play Store, all we need to do is head over to our profile icon on the upper right corner and then go to settings, and here go to network preferences or about, and in the about section there comes a drop down box with the Play Store version number, and there is a update Play Store option right in the bottom of it. So once you click on update Play Store, the Play Store will get updated in your Android phone. And yeah, this is how you can update your Google Play Store on Android. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.